Proceed and get the value of L1. So our L1 now, you know how we got L0, right? So let's get L1 too. L1 is going to be, L1x, L0x. So L1x is going to be x minus x0 times x minus x1 is what I should write next. But I will not be using x1 now because here I didn't use x0 because I was working with L0x. Now working with L1x, I will not be using x1 at all. So jump x2, then x minus x3 all over that x1 is what I will be using here. x1 minus x0, jump for x1, so x1 minus x2 and x1 minus x3. Now let's do the arithmetic. X minus, what is x0? 1. X minus, what is x1? 3. X minus, what is x3? Oh, sorry. X minus x2, it's x2. x2 is 4. X minus x3 is 6. All over x1, that is, x1 is 3. Minus x0, that is 1. Times x1, that's 3. Minus x2, that is 4. Times x1, that is 3 minus x3, which is 6. Now we'll be having x minus 1 times x minus 4 times x minus 6 all over 3 minus 1. 2 times 3 minus 4 minus 1 times 3 minus 6 minus 3. Now we are having x minus 1 times x minus 4 times x minus 6. So let's expand that somewhere. It's actually very easy. I don't need to calculate it out, but I want to explain how to. I think I don't need to be explaining this one again since I've shown the process here. But let's go. X times x, x squared. X times minus 4, minus 4x. And minus 1 times x, minus x. Minus 1 times minus 4, plus 4. So I have x squared minus 5x plus 4. How did I get my 5? Minus 4x minus x. That's minus 4x minus 1x. So multiply that by x minus 6. X squared times x, that is x cubed. X squared times minus 6, that's minus 6x squared. Minus 5x times x, that's minus 5x squared. Minus 5x times 6, that's plus 30x. Plus 4 times x, that's plus 4x. Plus 4 times minus 6, that's minus 24. Hence, we're having x cubed minus 6x squared minus 5x squared, that is minus 11x squared plus 30x plus 4x, that's plus 34x minus 24 all over 2 times minus 1 times minus 3, that's 3, 2 times 3, 6. Hence, I'm having 1 over 6, open bracket, x cubed minus 11x squared plus 34x minus 24. L1x. Got it. Chai. Let's get L2x now. L2x is going to be what? X minus x0 times x minus x1 times x minus x3. What did I do? I jumped x2, right? So all over x0 instead of x0. So write x2. Abi? When it was L1 here, we used x2 as the x1 as the denominator. So x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, and x2 minus x3. Now, x minus, what is x0? 1. X minus, what is x1? 3. X minus x3, what is x3? 6. All over x2 is what? 4 minus x0, which is 1. x2, 4 minus x1, which is 3. x2, 4 minus x3, which is 6. Now I'm having x minus 1 times x minus 3 times x minus 6 all over 4 minus 1, that's 3, times 4 minus 3